Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a playlist on the YouTube Music application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that, you should tap on the library icon down below, which is the third option. Then select a playlist that you have created and click on it. Then tap on the three dots icon. As you can see, the last option is delete playlist, so click on it. Then press the button delete. So now, as you can see, this playlist has been removed from your list and it has been deleted completely. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.